What are you doing? What are you doing? Those are Mummy's boxes. Yes. Well, as you can tell, it's home organisation day. And somebody seems to be very keen to get into it. So, as you can probably tell, today is the start of home organising. Not that my home wasn't already organised, but look, there was definitely room for improvement. I had a few like random boxes here and there that I just sort of bought as I needed along the way and just, you know, to organise whatever at the time. And there wasn't really any real thought behind each room organisation. So a few months ago, at the start of lockdown, I think everybody had the same idea at that time to organise their home, because trying to get products from Kmart or Ikea was like mission impossible. So many things had sold out, and yeah, it was like I could start doing it, but then I just couldn't finish it, because basically you went into Kmart and it was just, there was nothing on the shelf, like nothing. And it's taken a long time for things to start coming back into the store. And so as things have been coming back in, I've been like madly ordering, trying to get things so I can continue my home organization. I didn't buy everything from Kmart, by the way, I should just say. I do like to shop around, but there's a lot of things I have got from Kmart for my home organization because they are very affordable and they look good. They actually look really good. So with all that said, along the way, I've kind of realized a few things in like the way that I like to work when it comes to organizing my home. And let me just share with you a few tips. Now look, there's no groundbreaking tips here. No. But this is just the way that I like to work in order to be organized, basically. So, first tip would be to start with a room. Now look, I've already broken that rule because I started with one room, and then you know what happens? You start to organize things and you think, I'm gonna just like take that item, I'm gonna put it in that room instead. But to make room for that, I need to take that out. So that's gonna have to go there, yeah. And so there was a lot of like crisscrossing over into different rooms. So then it kind of became like a bit of a multi-room organization at once. But look, you've got to start somewhere. So pick one room that's like bugging you the most and go with that, basically. So that's what I did first. My second tip would be to have an idea as to what you want to organize and how you want to organize it. Now look, if you're stuck for ideas, Pinterest and YouTube have so many ideas. So you'll definitely, oops, sorry. My child's on the floor next to me trying to climb. You'll definitely find something to inspire you as to how you want to organize your space. Now, before you head off to the shops and just buy random containers, you need to measure your space. Now, I live in a very small home and I have a lot of stuff. Even though I throw stuff out, I have a lot of stuff still. So for me, I'm not one of these people that can just put like a little container in and have like all this excess space at the top of the cupboard free. No. Not gonna work for me, no. I need to utilize every little millimeter, cubic meter or whatever they call it, space in a cupboard. So, get yourself a tape measure and you need to measure length, width, height, depth, whatever they call it. Length, width, depth, whatever. Yes, measure all three ways basically. And then once you've got your measurements, you can then do your research. So I like to spend a lot of time researching, a lot. I'm a researcher, I like to research. I wanna make sure that I'm gonna get the right products and not like be forever taking things back, basically. I wanna get it right first time as best as I can. So I like to research and I will, okay, you know what, he's crying or whinging because he wants the nursery rhymes on. They're on, but they're on mute and he wants the volume on. So no, you're just gonna have to wait. You're gonna have to wait. But like I said, I like to research. So I will head online and I will look at different websites. I'm not just a one store person. I like to get things from different stores. Whatever is going to work best for the space, that's me. And you can find so many great containers on Kmart, Amazon, Ikea, Howard Storage, you know, a little bit more of the pricier end, but I like to mix and match basically. I'm not just that's my kind of aesthetic and I'm just gonna have all those certain containers. I like to mix and match whatever is gonna work best for the products and the space, basically. after I've done all my research and I've done my shopping, the fun part is to start organizing. Now, when it comes to organizing, be flexible. As much as you may do all this research and measuring, etc., to make sure that you're going to get the right containers, when it comes to actually doing it, it might not go quite to plan. You might realize that actually, you know what, that product is not going to be great there. I might need to move it somewhere else after all. So therefore, actually, I might need to get another of those containers. I might need to take that one back. I mean, I need extra of that one. Yes, there's going to be some changes. Be prepared to be flexible as much as you do all your research. But you got to have somewhere to start, basically. So with all that said, I'll just quickly show you some of the items that I have been buying with this one while he is tugging at my feet. I think he actually wants to go to sleep. So we're going to do it really quickly. And okay, yeah, we're going to do it really quickly. So the first item, as modeled by my lovely assistant down here, this is one of these. This is one of these roller storage containers. He's got the little narrow one. I basically bought these for my under the sink storage. I'm hoping this is going to work to put all like my dusters and cloths and dishwasher tablets, etc. in. So that's what those are for. I'll come back. No, let's start over here. So over here, I bought some of these hyacinth cubes, more for decorative purposes, to put some items in my new laundry. That reveal will come some point when we finish it, but that's what those are for. Down here I have some of these little turntables, bamboo storage turntables. I'm going to be putting those in my pantry to organize things, hopefully. Over here we have a bunch of bamboo drawer tidies. I know there's an awful lot. I probably don't need all these, but I'm just going to play around and see what's going to work best. Sorry, my battery just died. But these are all from Kmart. Might have a few too many, but we will be playing around to see what's going to work best. And I can return what I don't need. These here, which are all packaged up, are some bamboo drawer dividers, which they extend to fit the drawer that you have. This is great. And then over here, these are from Howard Storage. Now this is a little fridge storage drawer, so you can basically just slide it onto a shelf, give yourself a little drawer, like an extra little drawer. And then I have some extra little fridge freezer bins to put some items in. And then moving on over here, I have these from Ikea. Sorry, I had a mental blank then, but I nearly said Kmart because they have brought out something very similar to these, but these were from Ikea, and I have quite a few of each of these. This is just a small selection of them, but I've been using a lot of these for my new laundry. Over here, I love these little baskets. These are again from Kmart, and I've got them in most of the sizes, which are great for storing so many different things around the home with the little lids. And then these are also from Kmart. Gosh, mental blank today, but yeah, also from Kmart. And these are great for some bigger items that we have in the garage and above my wardrobes to keep things in. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and this little extra storage cube, as you can see, I've got toys in it. I bought 4 of these to put in like a little storage cube unit, because toys, yeah, they need organizing. We're at that point now where the toys are starting to accumulate and I need to organize them. So that is what I have. This is a small selection, I should say, because like I said, I already started the home organization. This is just some extra deliveries. Oh dear, what's the matter? Oh, he wants the cartoons on. Okay, so let's keep him happy with some nursery rhymes and I'll get organizing. What are you saying? You're saying, stop talking, Mummy. Stop talking. I want to sing along to the nursery rhymes. You can see them, but you can't hear them. All right. I'll put them on. You're being a good boy.